Hello. Palissa taħsbu li ħataraw Tarzan. Imma peress li maħabba budget cuts li għanna palissa ħanaraw Taken Jaws.
Senjur tal-ġibni fuq tal-Vapor Prestigious.
Ta' xej, Kate Winslet, nħobbok.
Anka jen nħobbok, imma promis, mux għal-flus ta' eżamijak, promis.
Naf. Ma minna?
Xil għaddi patku ja. Ma. Imma kif ma uħad sura? Sorry.
Alright, jenna li għadu nisir.
Min Kate Winslet.
Kemm inta l-wasla.
Grazzi.
Trid taqleb il-raġel?
Ja, mux xorta.
Lassa pittura. Tittara? Kemm ġejt sabiħa.
Ommi ma xint artistiku.
Thank you.
Illa, kaptan, dik xini?
Walla ma naħseb li xej dik brama probabli.
Ok, naħseb rajt ħazenijena.
Għara, imxark. Għandin ma berti ġos! I don't know who you are. I don't know what you want. You are looking for a ransom, I can tell you. I have no money. But what I do have are a very particular set of skills. Skills I have acquired over a very long career. Skills that make me a nightmare for people like you. If you let Kate Winslet go, that'll be the end of it. I will not look for you, I will not pursue you, and I will not kill you. But if you don't let her go, I will find you, and I will kill you.
Good luck, sieħbi.